Alright, let's go again. Today, how's it going? Or our gate number is 56. We are heading to gate number 56. It's nearly here. Yeah. Here, finally, we get to gate number 56. We just arrived here 20 minutes earlier. It's really good timing. We were a little bit worried that we're gonna be late, but we came, 20 minutes earlier. It's good. Now just we look. Yeah.
Yeah, just gotta weigh your bag.
Oh yeah. Okay, he said. Just wear bait. 2 people.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Let's go. Oh, wind is too strong. Our fly is here, Jetstar. Today, wind blowing too very strong. Yeah. Jetstar, let's get in. Okay, see you guys when we get there.
The seatbelt sign is still on. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened. Once it has been switched off, you will be free to move about the cabin. We recommend leaving your seatbelt fastened on this flight in case of any unexpected turbulence. A reminder that
We just ordered cup noodles to
Just leave it about 10 minutes.
cup noodles soup beef. It's very hot, very hot. Because both of us hungry. So let's try how the beef noodle soup tastes in the plane. Now my cup noodle is ready. It's super hot. For each cup noodle costs just $8. So we bought each one of us. Yeah, let's try. I just open it. Be careful, it's very, very hot, super hot. Wow, it's so good. Oh, this noodle, it looks like a rice noodle. And a beef cup noodle, I think it's a rice noodle. Let's try. Wow, it's a little bit saltless. Oh, salt is that? Yeah, because I didn't put salt, here. Salt they give us separately. That's why, because noodle tastes saltless, so I put salt and we expected to get a noodle soup, but it's a rice noodle soup. It's okay because we are in a plane and we don't have many options. Like we are in a home, right? So let's enjoy it. Plane is landing. My ears getting full of hairs. I know. I remember one thing. When you get your ears in your hair, you just hold your nose. Put pressure on. Make sure your ears, get out from your ears. Oh yeah, we safely landed, and now we're heading to the rented car. We just rented car from here for entire our trip. So we don't know from just we look through the direction and then we go to the rent from where we get it rented car. Okay, let's see when we get outside. Then we go to get our rented car and then we go to our hotel. Oh good. Finally, we reached to our hotel. There's two single bed. Here you can see. Chile, how is our room? Wow, the room is on 38th floor. This is our kitchen. The kitchen kitchen is very clean. We got everything if you cook, microwave, oven, stuff, and we have fridge here. I think fridge is empty. Yeah, here goes. This is living room. Alright, this is our table. We can have our food. Beautiful postal is there. Here TV flat or smart TV. Look, here goes. This is our bedroom. Wow, this is king size, massive big room. Here, what a nice, interior design, decoration. They clean up. Here we have one TV in the bedroom. Yeah, this is all outside view. You can see we are on the 30th floor of the building in the main city. This is the view we can have in the night time from our hotel building. Oh, what a beautiful, amazing. I never believed that, that our hotel has such a beautiful view. As you can see, the lake. Oh, it's a lake or river, I don't know. It's just in front of our hotel. You can see other side. What a beautiful in the night time. I'm just showing from the 38th floor. You can see it down. Wow, my heart is coming up. I can't look down. It's really high, super high. I feel like still I'm in the plane. I'm still in the fly, Wow, this is view amazing, I just close the door and I show you bathroom. Here, bathroom. This is door, look. Oh, good, beautiful. Here we have our bathroom here. This is our, here we have our bathroom here, toilet, and the look, bathtub. You can feel the water and you can enjoy in the water. It's very clean, big, spicy, and very nice. I really love the room. Room is amazing. I never expected this much. It's beyond my expectation. Wow. So good. So good. This is also our outside. You can outside. There is a very good space. Balcony. We can sit there. and enjoy and drink and eat and enjoy the view outside. Wow, it's so cool. Oh, that budu de, that budu ani choro du shui na, that budu don't remsha, that budu chero, andila shadows. Shadow gure the shadow wall luorwa kana ani put it in the show che ani mamolo do che ani labu che ba ta malaw di labu rama song hola so jera oh tatuba guduk tung shimai gududus hoena luchai ani alhaye changlo gudu nionarona shweda ani gudula nang changmalo nyamjum gi thone ani thubushim butum ani gudugna gen jedi dinaro ju gi dillo yorwa an kare kedo tare dia wo kevere wa shuyo dangala ni rashte gali khang wai and then this oh la so oh the shadow to it's cooked very well, so I put all of them together in this glass container. Look, it's cooked so well. Wow. That's how much powder sachi. Sime yoro. Sime moi. Wow. It's cooked so well. The soup dish in the hot. All I saw, shadows.